welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 16th to the 20th of March 2026 on Monday. Jason is promoted to premier while Thandiswa's Risho reveals Ngcuka as the real threat. Meanwhile, Sakhile struggles with his past and Team 6 Nokwetemba's approval to marry Tiny on Tuesday. Thandiswa plans to dig up Nomeva's Izikhwama to defeat Ngcuka, defying Zoleto's advice. Thabo props Sakhile and Petunia, and Pile tells Petunia she can't stay with the criminal on Wednesday. Zoleto is punished lightly for the depot accident, injuring Jason. Sakhile refuses to resign and is shot during a speech while Tim celebrates Tiny agreeing to be his second wife with one condition on Thursday. Thandiswa way to comfort or to confront Jason, who buys a gun and proposes to Martha. Sakhile survives an attack. Thabo confront him and Tiny demands Tim reconcile with Nokwetemba on Friday. Martha and Jason plan their future, raising Thandiswa's suspicions. Thabo holds Sakhile and Petunia hostage over his father's death, while Tim forgives Nokwetemba and suggests couples therapy. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.